In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Uber Eats delivery mode from bicycle to car with easy steps. Whether you've switched vehicles or want to update your profile, this guide will help. First, open the Uber Driver app on your phone and log into your account. Tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, in the top left corner. Select Account or Profile from the menu. Look for the Vehicle or Delivery Vehicle section and tap it. Here, you'll see your current delivery mode set as Bicycle. Tap Edit or Add Vehicle to change your delivery mode. Select Car from the list of vehicle options. Enter your car details, such as make, model, year, and license plate number if required. Save your changes. If Uber requires vehicle verification, follow any prompts to upload documents or photos. Once updated, your delivery mode will switch to car, and you can start accepting car deliveries. That's it. Now you know how to change your Uber Eats delivery mode from bicycle to car easily. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more simple Uber driver tips and tutorials.